This resource provides helpful navigation and program completion tips you can use while working through the REVS program. Let's look at each image to learn how to move easily through the program. Use the My Learning menu to access courses, modules, and assessments. Select Start to begin each module. When you are in a module, you can select Close to return to the main learning page. Courses must be completed in consecutive order. The next course will remain locked until the previous course assessment is completed. Modules must also be completed in consecutive order. The next module will remain locked until the previous module is completed. When you're ready to leave the REVS program, it is recommended that you log out. To do so, click the Log Out button in the main menu. You can log back into the REVS program directly from the OMVIC portal by clicking on the Access Education REVS button. When accessing the REVS program on a tablet, certain activities include an option to expand to full screen. To close the full screen view, click the X in the upper left corner to return to the module. When navigating the REVS program on an Apple device, use Landscape mode. You can navigate the platform, courses, and modules using the menu. When navigating the REVS program on an Android device, use Portrait mode. You can navigate the platform, courses, and modules using the menu. As you move through the REVS program, you'll see different types of learning within the modules. Let's look at some different ways you will be interacting with the learning. In some modules, you will see a title page. Click the Start Module button directly under the title to begin the module. A table of contents will appear on the left side, with the main content in the center. You may need to scroll down to view all the text and information on the page. Click the Continue button to advance to the next section. The button will only appear once you've completed all required content above. Look for plus signs to expand and minus signs to minimize information sections. Click on flashing icons or other interactive elements to reveal more information. For sections highlighting a process on a desktop, use the previous and next arrows or the step counter below the interaction to jump between steps. And for mobile, swipe back and forth to navigate process blocks on tablets and smartphones. Thank you for reviewing these navigation and course instructions. If you continue to experience navigation difficulties within the REVS program or encounter technical issues, please contact the education team.